I'm Wesley Harr. This is Evan McDaniel for Stockmonster.com with your midday mix tow. I want to start off by thanking the NASDAQ for the time they've given us down here. It's been excellent. And I want to jump right into some of the trades and stuff we're seeing down here in the markets. What do you got going on, Evan?
Yeah, we're looking at the retailers are looking a little bit toppy here with the unsure market here. The dollar's firm. Looks like we could be either heading for another down move, depending upon what goes on in Europe. And if you remember, we talked about KSU and AGQ on our last mixed tow, and they're up about 10% since our last mention. Could be a good profit target up here. What are you thinking about for some of your stock ideas?
Well, never hurts to take profits in some of those things that we've seen rip. I still like Alpha Natural Resources, and I still like CSX for a little bit further upside. When you bring up the retailers, names like Best Buy stand out as things that could potentially have further downside. They were doing some sort of acquisition things and the rest of it just yesterday. I think it smells of an act of desperation to me to some degree. I think you can short this thing off the 28 area. Of course, if it breaks above that, I think you have to cover. Some of the other retailers out there that stand out are Ralph Lauren, which reports, I believe, either tonight or tomorrow. These things look toppy overall and in general. I would like to point out, though, that the SPX in general still looks tad bullish to me, at least. I'm seeing support around the 1238 to 1239 area. I think if we can go ahead and hold that any dips down in that direction that don't violate that area are probably viable. And a name that I'd like to throw out as a potential long here is Kellogg. Kellogg got nailed on earnings. It's had a hard time getting itself up off the mat. I look towards the high 49.90 area. I believe it was 49.94 was where it opened at the day of earnings when it first gapped down. If we can hold that area and close 2 consecutive sessions above that metric, I like this name. I like it long. If it dips below that, you have to exit. But as long as it holds there 2 sessions in a row, it looks like a decent long to me.
The one long I'm looking at is Baker Hughes over the 60 level. If we can get over there and hold, I think we have some upside there.
Excellent. All right, well, for Stockmonster.com, I'm Wesley Harr.
I'm Evan McDaniel.
Remember, follow us at Twitter, Wesley_Harr, and trade with us daily at Stockmonster.com.